My name is Abhishek Nayak. Today I am going to tell you about two interesting topics today. The first one is about an incident which has taken place on Jan 24th, 2021. An incident which shook the whole nation. An incident where parents killed their own daughter because of some beliefs. An incident which no other parents would have done. So today I'm going to talk about none other than double murder case of Chittoor. The second interesting topic which I'm going to tell you is about a small update on coronavirus. So let me get into the topic right away. So on Chittoor, there was a family, a father named Purushothaman, a mother named Padmaja. These two couples had a daughter named Sai Divya and Alakya. So, on Jan 24th, 2021, what happened was a phone call had arrived on 7 p.m. Purushothaman had called his close friend and stated that their daughters were killed. So, as a result, what happened was, after that, his friend had alerted the police and the police came to their house. So when the police came to their house, what happened was they saw that one of their daughters was killed and there was a pool of blood along with some utensils in their mouth, and their head has been severely hit by the numbers. So on going to the next floor, they saw their second daughter killed with a trident, and she was also in a pool of blood. And even they noticed that their parents were in trance state. So what they did was they started their investigation and filed an FIR. So during the investigation, what happened was they found out that their belief about their religion was high, in such a way that during a few days from their death, that is approximately on Jan 28th, what happened was the Sai Divya had posted a photo stating that the Shiva is coming. And not only that, around the dead body there was many photos of Hindu religion gods. So, and not only that, what police is stating is that this all started during the lockdown. So if you see, Sai Divya has completed the bachelor's degree in business administration and Alakya was studying in Bangalore. So here in 2020, you all know that we went into a lockdown, and because of that, their children had come to their house. So at particular time, what happened was their beliefs in their religion had become more. In a particular point where they were believing in reincarnation. So as a result, what happened was, before their death, for the past few days, their daughters were also in the trance state. especially Alakya. Why? Because she has been stated to their family that the Lord Shiva had been inside her for from 9th standard. So she was deeply devoted to religion. It is in such a way that this over devotion had led to mind corruption. And so what happened was, on 24th, they even conducted some rituals. In Tamil we call it as puja, and they killed their daughters in a brutal way. So what their father is saying to the police is that, and not only their father and also their mother is saying is that their children will wake up or woke up after some time, which is pretty nuisance for me. So for me this thing has found pretty stupid. Why? Because of this over religions behavior. Now the case has been filed against them and the investigation is still going on. Even recently they have arrested another person related to this crime. See, this is the first interesting topic which I found out. So why I chose this topic is that because many innocent people are being killed just for superstitious belief of their religion. So this is a pretty devastating and sad for all of us. The second small update which I like to give is on COVID. You may think why am I speaking about COVID again? It is because the COVID cases has been increased dramatically for the past 2 weeks. So as of now, when I am taking this video, the number of coronavirus cases as reported as 59,000 cases, which is pretty high compared to the February. So there is no doubt that the second wave has started. But one small request to you all people. I have heard rumors stating that there will be a lockdown in Tamil Nadu also. But I request you not to spread these rumors just because your friends and family are saying it. Just wait for the official confirmation for the lockdown of coronavirus, because there is no official information has been given till now. So please do not judge or please do not tell any fake news based on the current situation. Yes, the second wave has started, I agree, but as of now, the Indian government, what they are telling is only Maharashtra and Punjab have been put into lockdown, not each and every state. So, according to my opinion, the lockdown enforcement will be less compared to the previous one. So please guys, do not spread any false information to your family and as well as your friends. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and tell me on what videos you made next. Thank you.